Hello everyone, welcome to Female Cooks and Eats. I hope you all are doing well. Today I have a chicken steak with creamy mushroom gravy recipe for you. So I'm going to start marinating my chicken with a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm adding a tablespoon of steak sauce. I'm also adding a tablespoon of mustard in this. I love the flavor of the mustard with the chicken. I'm adding my spices now. It has salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and red chili flakes. I added about a quarter cup of oil. Mix the chicken really well with all the ingredients so that it can absorb all the flavors. I marinated it for about 2 hours and I'm going to cook it now in a pan with just about 2 teaspoons of oil. I cooked the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side. I'm going to flip it now and you can see it's a beautiful deep golden color. These chicken steaks are super easy to make and they have yummy flavor as well. I'm going to cook it on the other side for about 4 to 5 minutes as well. These are done. I'm going to remove these onto a plate. Now all the juices of the chicken in the pan are like magic flavor. I'm going to add about half a chopped onion in this, and I also added like 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that I had finely chopped, and just saute this for a few minutes until the onions are translucent. Now I'm adding in a few mushrooms that I had chopped. I had about, I would say 8 to 10 mushrooms that I had finely chopped, and just saute these in the same pan. I'm adding a little bit of salt and black pepper according to my taste to season the mushroom gravy. I'm adding a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is going to thicken my gravy. After about a minute of cooking, I added about half a cup of water and 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Now let this gravy come to a simmer, and that's it. This gravy is super easy to make, and a gravy doesn't have to be very complicated, everyone. The flavors from the chicken and the onions, garlic, the fragrance of the mushrooms, the richness of the cream, it all makes the gravy super delicious. My gravy is now ready. I served my chicken steaks with some steamed vegetables that I tossed in butter and salt and pepper, and I made these garlic dinner rolls at home as well. I'm putting a lot of the gravy on top of my chicken steaks, and that's it. My dinner is ready. I'm going to cut this chicken steak and show you the inside. It's super succulent, it's rich, it's creamy, and the flavors are amazing. I hope you guys try it out and leave me a comment. Tell me, how was it? I'm going to go enjoy my chicken steak now. I want to thank you for watching this episode. Don't leave without subscribing and hitting the bell icon. I'll see you again next time. Have a good one.